Pool maintenance and cleaning in West Ashley, South Carolina comes with its own set of challenges, and here at SC Coastal Pools, we want to share some practical tips to help you keep your pool in great shape year-round. West Ashley sits between the Ashley and Stono Rivers, surrounded by marshland and some of the most beautiful moss-draped oaks and mature landscaping in the entire Charleston area. That's what makes it such a great place to live, but it's also what makes owning a pool here a little more demanding than you might expect. Our first tip is to stay on top of your water chemistry every single week. West Ashley's combination of intense summer heat and Lowcountry humidity burns through chlorine faster than most homeowners anticipate. When your chlorine drops, algae has a window to bloom, and in this climate, that window can be as short as 48 hours. Test your pH and chlorine levels at least once a week, and make sure your pH stays between 7.2 and 7.6. Once your pH climbs above 7.8, your chlorine starts losing its effectiveness dramatically, and by 8.0, it's working at half strength. Second, pay close attention to your filtration. West Ashley is known for heavy pollen seasons. Thanks to all that mature landscaping, magnolias, live oaks, crepe myrtles, and azaleas are beautiful, but they dump organic material into your pool constantly. That debris clogs filters, feeds phosphates, and creates the perfect environment for algae growth. Clean your cartridge filter monthly at a minimum, and if you have a sand filter, backwash it whenever your pressure gauge rises 8 to 10 psi above your clean starting pressure. A dirty filter is one of the most common reasons we see West Ashley pools go cloudy. Third, manage what's happening around your pool, not just in it. West Ashley deals with poor drainage and clay soil pockets that many other parts of Charleston don't have. After a heavy rainstorm, that means muddy runoff, fertilizer, and landscape debris can wash directly into your pool. If you've recently had landscaping work done or your lawn has been treated, keep a close eye on your water for the next few days. That runoff introduces phosphates and contaminants that crash your chemical balance fast. Fourth, don't skip maintenance during the cooler months. West Ashley winters are mild enough that algae stays dormant but alive in your pool. If you stop treating the water through fall and winter, you're handing your pool a much bigger problem to deal with when spring arrives and temperatures start climbing again. A reduced maintenance schedule is fine, but no maintenance at all will cost you more in the long run. And finally, inspect your equipment regularly. The moisture and humidity that sit along the Ashley River corridor affect your pump, heater, and filter housing over time. Check your O-rings, gaskets, and pump seals at least once a season. Catching a small crack or a worn seal early saves you from an expensive emergency repair later. We know not everyone has the time or confidence to manage all of this on their own, and that's completely fine. Here at SC Coastal Pools, we provide professional weekly pool cleaning, water chemistry management, and equipment maintenance for West Ashley homeowners so you can enjoy your pool without the stress. If you'd like a professional team keeping your pool safe, balanced, and sparkling all year long, give us a call at 843-806-7838. SC Coastal Pools. We've got West Ashley covered.